I finally replaced my standard 12 volt battery with AGM. So this is from Walmart. It's around $169, and this one fits perfectly because it's a 10-inch in length and then 8-inch in height. So it fits perfectly without any issues putting it in. So I have to like put this negative terminal facing this way, and then that one facing that way. I cannot put it sideways because it's near that metal bracket. So yep, yeah, you don't need to buy a Panasonic one from Toyota, which is around $450 to $500. And this one I just put the temperature sensor with the tape, and then there's the so I replaced the OEM vent valve or vent pipe, because this is really big. This one goes to the battery side. It's actually really big. I think this one fits in. So what I did is I have some hoses from the washer fluid. There's a T there. So what I did is I just heated one side of it, close it, clamp it, and then just use the remaining two. This one is broken because this is the one that I used before, and then when I tried to use this handle, it actually broke this one when I move it around. So be careful when you do this stuff, like moving it around, because you could hit this one. So better to take out the vent hose first when you try to service this battery. Yep. Or you could go to the parts store and find some vacuum adapters. Yeah, they sell this one really cheap. Yeah, it's like probably like $1 or $5 for a kit. So yep, this has been doing well for several days now. I'm concerned about the standard one is that because of the proximity sensor with these cars, so the car is always like on, so it could actually drain that one. So the AGM one is actually like it has a what they call it, a deep cycle battery, so it doesn't like discharge so much. So yep, and then I have to put in the cover to finalize this thing.